Hi there, my name's Chase, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Travis Industries Pro Flame remote. These remotes come standard with Lopi, Fireplace Xtrodinaire, Archgard, and many other units. To start, we'll go over what the different buttons do, then we'll discuss how to turn the unit on and off, how to control your flame height, and then finally, how to put it into thermostatic mode. On your remote, you have 4 different buttons. You have a power button, a temperature button, a button to toggle through your different menus, and finally, your up and down button. To start, to turn the unit on is very simple. All you need to do is press the power button. We will press it, we see that it's already in high, we see the pilot light come on, and it should come to life in just a moment. As you can see, it currently says off right next to the little thermometer there, which means that it's currently in manual mode. That means we can control our flame height to adjust the heat output. If we press this button at the bottom, this will filter through the different screens we have. Right now, the screen I'm on is controlling the front burner, as this unit is equipped with 2 burners. This is controlling the fan, which is currently off, the additional lights that we can get on this unit, which are off, and then the back burner, which is also currently on. If I switch to the front burner, I can adjust the height simply by pressing the down button or the up button to manually adjust my flame height. I can do the same thing with both the fan speed, as you can hear it kick on there, or I can turn it right off, and same with my lights. Now, like I said earlier, this unit has 2 burners, so I can filter through to my back burner and I can leave it on or turn it off just to have my front burner on. Next, if I press the thermometer button here, it will take us into thermostat mode, at which point I can control the desired temperature. So if I turn it down to, let's say, 80, which is lower than it is in the room currently, it will turn the unit off, as you can see there. I can then press the temperature up button to turn it back up to, let's say, 85, which it was at before, and it will turn the unit back on in just a moment. If I press the thermometer button again, it will take me to smart thermostat mode, which works similarly, except in this case, rather than turning the unit on and off completely, it means that it will turn the flames up and down automatically to reach the desired temperature. And last but not least, if I press the button again, it will take us back to manual mode, which we were in to begin with. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you're enjoying your unit.